Experience the true power of AI in your classroom with the EyeRIS Digital Board. Just upload an image on the virtual whiteboard, and the AI magic unfolds before your eyes. In seconds, you'll have instant summaries that capture the essence. Key concepts to spark discussions. Full lesson plans ready to roll. Not just a time saver for teachers, but it's an excitement generator for the whole class. Watch your students showing interest as questions materialize from a single picture. Learning through images has never been this thrilling. Book a free demo to see EyeRIS AI Digital Board in action.